Zebra and Perceptor inspection technologies are partnering to launch Perceptor IoT, a brand new inline label verifier. This solution brings all the features needed for real-time label inspection and verification with the Zebra ZT600 series. In this video, we're going to show you 6 of those features that are going to revolutionize your print process and quality control. It is not uncommon for thermal transfer technology to have print blemish issues that require quality checks. Perceptor IoT captures ribbon creases, print head problems, and inconsistency of print. Perceptor IoT grades 1D and 2D barcodes to ISO 15415 and 15416. All barcodes are quality graded from A to F with the ability to set a minimum pass grade. The software captures and reads human-readable text and incorporates optical character recognition and optical character verification. It also includes pattern matching and checks your symbols and logos for completeness, presence, and orientation. Connect all your printers worldwide and inspect labels in real time for duplicate serial numbers. If any of these fail, the ZT600 printer will backfeed and overstrike the label. All data is captured and written in SQL and accessible via the management console. You can view this data through a web browser, where you can also manage user group roles and run batch reconciliation reports. If you require any further information about Perceptor IoT, please visit perceptorinspection.com or your local Zebra sales rep for more details.